Hey dude, what you building?
I'm building a house. I will don't know what I should do with my roof. It's not good, I think.
Oh, I could help you.
Oh, but are you not doing something else?
Yes, kinda.
What? I want to see.
Oh,
Oh
that
my god!
wasn't your roof.
Oh, what are you doing?
I
Stop!
owned your house.
Stop! I will defend it.
Do you want to own your friend's house?
No!
Destroy
No!
it?
Oh my
Burn
god!
it to the ground?
Stop!
Then here's a video for you.
Stop it!
This is my cannon design with TNT, water, and redstone repeaters. Here's your input. There's 5 redstone repeaters set on full delay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 water spaces. What the?
Yeah!
Oh my
We're
god.
waste time! Die!
Okay.
I will stop now.
Now I'm going to show you how this is made. Can you set up a wall? I could shoot at. No, I'm just gonna shoot at your house.
No! Why? It's a
Because
good house. I like it.
first you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Stop.
6, 7. Then you build like an I guess you would call it, and ladder here. Oh, there's this. Then redstone here. This will ignite the shots. No, not the shot. The gunpowder, I guess you would say. And then here at last you have a water source, cause TNT doesn't explode anything around it if it's covered in water. So do not place TNT in this like this. Everything is just gonna get owned. So you place your water here. Then you have your redstone repeaters. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. You all gotta set them to maximum delay. And this shoots really far. I think you don't have. You may not have this block here, cause it's gonna ignite the shoot this TNT block. So now it's actually finished. So this is our input. You can have every kind of input: a button, a lever, a pressure plate, and a redstone torch. You can have all of this into this block and shoot.
Yes! I set my house!
I got an unlimited TNT.
I need to repair. Oh fuck.
Boom.
You can't destroy my house now.
Yes, I can, dude. I can.
No! 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 Fuck. No! No, my house! I will fly away now.
So if you like this video, click the like button. We have made a cobblestone generator.
No.
If no, not a cobblestone, clean stone. And if you would like anything like that, go check it out. Bye.